8:07 now. New Year's resolutions are something that more and more people aren't making, often because they're hard to keep. Now, for those who do make resolutions, eating healthier always tops the annual list. And this morning, Fox 4's Carey Wickersham joined us live from the Culinary Center in downtown Overland Park. She has some pointers that might help you make your nutrition goals actually attainable this year, Carey.
Hey, good morning. So, to have good nutrition, you have to have a good plan. It's not just going to happen. You can't just grab something at the grocery store that claims it's nutritious. You've got to eat yourself. You've got to cook yourself. You've got to know what's going into the food. And I have Chef Carey with us here at the Culinary Center. He's an expert. Not only, he's a lifestyle expert on that and a culinary expert on that. But talk to us a little bit about what we're cooking today and why it's healthy.
This is steelhead and or ruby red trout. They can go by either name. Trout is thin. It can be cooked in just a couple minutes. Okay, we don't have to worry about, oh, is the fish going to be too dry or to this. The little saute that I'm going to do here, and I'm heating my pan, is going to show you just how easy and just how good this comes together.
That's avocado oil, right?
Avocado oil.
Oil of choice.
Super clear.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to heat the oil first, okay, and I always pull the pan away, pick up my fish.
Okay, you put it crust side down first.
Crust side down first.
And just so you know, as he's putting that on there, we prepped this earlier, but it's got a Dijon mayonnaise glaze and then all fresh vegetables, fresh onions, jalapenos, lemon zest, all on there. Talk to us a little bit while that's cooking for the next 2 minutes or so. Hopefully we're not going to burn it while I'm distracting you, but
no, we won't.
Talk to us about the planning and how important that is to keeping your resolutions.
If you can plan each week, each day, write down your meals, sit with your family, write down the favorite meals, look up a new recipe in a cookbook, watch a cooking show, come take a cooking class, but help decide what you would like to eat. Make the plan. Follow your plan on a pan like I've done here so that you can easily put this together. It is so much fun to be able to cook this at home with your family.
It's impressive too, because I mean, if you're serving almond crusted trout for dinner, you're going to get some applause when you put that on the plate, hopefully. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, let's talk about the classes here, because Culinary Center's been around 30 years now this year, and they have all kinds of classes. If you're gluten-free, if you're vegan, if you're vegetarian, just put that in the search bar and they'll come up with classes. One other thing, as we're wrapping up, we want to throw it back to you and tell you they are opening a new location in March of this year up in Briarcliff. So the Northland will have some things up there as well. But he teaches all kinds of sports nutrition, pro cooking, nutrition in your kitchen classes, and he's taking Harvard classes right now to sort of learn how to do it even better. So come check out Chef Carey's classes and the other classes at the Culinary Center. It's going to help you with your New Year's resolutions. I'm Carey Wickersham, Fox 4 News. Back to you.
All right, really great tips from Chef Carey. Thanks, Carey. Stick with us. We'll be right back after this quick break.